accordingly. So just imagine whenever there's traffic on all the 4 lanes, what will happen then? The thing would be the traffic can be diverted with the help of the flyovers, which can lead the traffic to their destinations more smoothly without getting affected by the traffic jams. So the thing is, during the night time, the traffic on the flyovers is not that much high. Still, all the street lights on the flyovers or the highways are continuously glowing. That produces and is a wastage of electricity completely. So we came up with this plan that whenever there's traffic on this side, only those street lights will glow. But when the traffic moves towards this side, the previous one will get off and this one will start glowing. And to prevent accidents, this much portion of the street lights will always turn on. We have one new mechanism, it is known as the one-step lock, to prevent traffic jams and moreover preventing accidents in public transports. The mechanism is, whenever there is a person standing at the last staircase of the bus, it will give a signal to the bus driver that there is someone so that he won't move the bus. Because usually what happens is the bus driver can't turn around again and again and look backwards for every passengers. This project is energy efficient and moreover because it is working on the solar panels completely. All the traffic lights, street lights will be working on the solar panels installed. Moreover, there's this system of the, as we see in the toll plazas, we have seen that they block the lines and whichever line is working, they only connect that line for any passenger. So we came up with that idea for the flyovers. In foreign countries, the flyovers are 4 lanes, but in India, their maximum is 3. And so we have the idea of 4-lane flyovers and highways. Whenever there's heavy traffic jam on this particular lane, the signboard in front of that lane will show a cross sign so that the vehicles can divert their vehicles. Vehicle owners can divert their vehicles so that they don't get stuck in the traffic jam. We are even planning on that idea that the traffic control room will send messages regarding the traffic jam problems to each and every vehicle owners, and this can be possible by the control room if one common control room is made for the entire city and can be managed by various people. After seeing the parking problems in India and in Chandigarh also, we came up with the idea of multi-level parking system. Why we came up with this idea is the reason is because it takes less space and can store a number of cars at a given time. The new thing about this mechanism is that it will be computerized. Whenever you enter any building, the computers will detect and tell you that which lane or which spot of the building is empty so that you can park your vehicle directly